And we got a coyote with a freaking deer. Look at that coyote though, he's hanging around. Where is he? Right there. Look at him, sitting like a freaking regular dog, man. It's crazy. Just watching the deer. That is wild. Yeah, I can't zoom anymore. Max, that's why it's blurry. Look at him, he's like looking back like, how the hell do I attack one of these things? That is wild. But all the deer, oh, here they come. Here come the deer this way. They're coming towards him. Check this out. Look, they're like coming at him. They're right over there. You can see their tails. See it? Look at, almost like they're gonna intimidate him. Look. Check this shit out. Wow. Yeah, they're coming at him like a pack.
3, 4,
wow.
5.
I gotta see this though. This is like a standoff.
Look, there's 6 of them.
You know? Almost like they're, it's like they're almost telling him, get the fuck out of here. Look at this. Standoff. Let me turn the camera. There's that coyote.
He's right there.
Oh, there's the coyote. There's the herd. And they're just like, oh, they're coming slowly. I just want to see if they scare them out of here. Look at this. You got that one deer in the front. I can see him around the tree. Right there. See him creeping in that deer? Look at him. Look at him creeping in.
He is eyeing him down.
Yep. It's a complete. I can't get both animals in the frame. They could if I do this. There's a coyote to the right.
Look at them all creeping in on him.
Yeah.
They're all creeping in on him.
Creeping in. There's your coyote. And there's the deer. Let's see if the deer chase him. It's like, oh, look at her tail up straight too. Her tail is up straight. Oh, here they come. Look at this. Look at that coyote just sitting there though. That is wild shit. Nature, man. That deer's back there coming from the backside. So back that way, there's a deer coming out. Oh. Look at this. They're all running by. That coyote ain't doing shit. That's a first, man. Yeah, I just made sure. Oh, we got one deer left though. One deer over here. Ooh.
He's chasing.
Coyote's chasing. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Oh. Coyote like nose to the ground.
Uh-oh.
No, I don't think he stands a chance here. They're too fast.
Yeah, I know, but look at him. There he goes. He's...
No.
Oh, that deer was like out.
That was the last one too.
Yeah.
That was wild, man. Nighty night. What a good night tonight. Crazy.